This video will explain what field inspection is and how you can earn extra cash as a notary. A field inspection is conducted to determine the condition and/or location of a collateral piece of property for financial institutions. Conducting field inspections can earn you up to $100 in less than an hour. Notaries are preferred as field inspectors because of your high integrity being an official officer of your state. Here are some examples of field inspections. For vehicles, written documents and photos of vehicles with outstanding balances are required to assess the damages from an accident and the current location of the vehicle. Photos and written documents of land and homes are required when a property undergoes a refinance, sale, or any transaction. You'll need to do a letter drop before conducting the inspection process. Then take 7 to 12 photos of the exterior of the property and submit these photos along with the written report to the financial institution. On average, you can earn $40 per inspection, which takes 15 minutes. Here's a range of fees you can charge per inspection. For private companies, you can earn from a range of $20 to $60 per inspection. Commercial properties, $75 to $100. Additionally, you can charge a travel fee depending on the distance traveled. Since field inspections take roughly 10 to 15 minutes each, you can stack up to 20 appointments even with travel time included. That's up to $800 worth of income in a day's work. There are 150 different types of field inspections, which provides you with plenty of opportunities to secure appointments, diversify your notary business, and create an additional stream of income. To learn how to become a field inspector and make money with field inspections, click the link below.